Hey YouTube, this is Andrea here, and welcome to our 1600 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys so much. We are so excited. We hit 1600 today. I'm going to be giving away 2 bags of jewelry, so we'll have 2 winners. We have bag number 1 and bag number 2. If you're a winner, you get to choose between bag 1 or 2. So here is bag 1. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. And here's the back. They weigh about 2-3 pounds. So I'm getting a good workout. Here's bag number 2. There is the top. Here's the bottom. And here's the back. Uh-oh. So whoever wins, whose name is drawn first, will be able to pick between 1 and 2. I'm going to use the randomizer to randomly select people who have entered below in the description box. In order to do that, you have to leave a comment down below. Please be respectful. Leave 1 comment. Leave, be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, I won't be able to ship this off to you. I am only shipping to the lower 48 states in the United States. So I can't do out of the country at this time. Maybe on our next one, I hope. And just make sure to share with your family and friends. Gives you more opportunities to win. Maybe you can get them to give it to you. Anyway, I really appreciate all of my subbies and that you guys decided that our videos are worth looking at. We really appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. If you have any questions or and just want to know a little bit more, please email me. Also, please look in the description box below, and that way you'll know exactly what all the rules are. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.